get back in, we can do a whole session. And
yeah, but thank you for doing this because
we have just as much fun as you guys sitting there.
oh, it's amazing.
I had one of these as a kid, same as 69 Boss 302, same color, same stripes. The exact car that this is a remake of.
Yeah, these are, you can't appreciate the cars until you're in the cars and you're feeling what it can do.
Oh yeah.
I'm like, I wouldn't have,
oh,
I wouldn't make the first turn and I'd be like in the woods.
Well, you know, when you come out in these clubs as a novice, we don't let you alone until you can do it safely.
Yeah, oh, I'm sure, but
Oh, it's hot.
thank you very much again. Thank you.
My pleasure. You know, it's funny, we call this, it's the same shit that we did in high school. Except now we get praised for it instead of getting in trouble for it.
Yeah, hey, you know what we call that?
What?
Progress.
Yeah, I think so. No, I know. We'll get the next one. Yeah, we went out for a little bit.
Bruce, did you turn the cameras off?
Yeah, you know, we don't save our batteries. Can we, can we put one like maybe in the back window? Sure. So, because you know what I'm looking for is like I want to be close.
You can do anything you want if you can reach it. Don't forget you got the bars in the way, but do whatever you like.
You want to have it pointing backwards or forwards?
Yeah, no, I wouldn't try it. Is it me or is it like mega? Well, put on a driving suit and then tell me.
Mark, should we put one? Oh, you got one facing forward.
Yeah, but I don't know what it's taking. It's it's the Harry's lap time.
No, Dan put a GoPro. Yeah.
Oh, that? Yeah, no, he's got those. Yeah.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah,
So
he's got one facing forward, one facing me.
All right, so you want to go?